Peeing! He was peeing! Like wee Lexi! Hi everyone!
We're going to do a DIY balloon frozen experiment. Shelby has a yellow balloon. Lexi has a red balloon. You just put your items in. Shelby, you have a ball going in there. Oh! What's that?
That's the earring for my
Shoe from your LOL, go in there too. Very good.
Cat boy.
Catboy's gonna go in. Catboy's in. Who's next? This one, little car.
Yep.
See if he fits in. Oh, it's stretchy. Whoa! Up. Lexi has chosen glasses from her Delicious Lol. See if they're gonna go in. Glasses are inside. Then we have Candelicious shoe.
Her shoe. Everybody filled it up. We're going to fill this with water and then put it in the freezer. So let's go. Right now. It's like he's peeing. We filled it up with some water. Now we're going to put it in the fridge. Yes,
Freezer?
The freezer. Let's go. Wow. So they're hard ice.
Oh, there is the Nick. There's the balloon. Really not.
Now, can I take that? Thank you. I want to do it. It's for cool. Wow. Look at that ice. Like an ice block. It's so close. Ow! I'm doing that. Anyway, that's not my brain. Whoa, I know.
Your car's in there,
Time to get this
and
out.
you've got PJ Masks and your gun. You've got lukewarm water here, trying to melt the ice. You have to keep putting lots of water on it. Oh yeah, just get the big jug. Is it melting?
I think so.
Whoa! Whoa!
I feel the water in, but I didn't have. With my shit.
So I'm gonna smash it. Okay. Oh, smash! Adults are only allowed to smash, and the children have to stay back because it's a bit dangerous.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go! It's melting. What the?
Oh, some of the ice melted. You're up. Yeah, starting to see it. So.
More! Mikey, guys! Mikey, guys! Alright, we just.
So we've rescued the shoes, the earring, the hair clip.
That goes.
Hello.
I just mashed it. What's
You
that?
smashed it.
I
Whoa.
mashed it. What's that?
Catboy's rescued! Yay! Lexi's is like a bath now. Huh? Isn't it? It's a bath for the ice bombs.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yay! We rescued the troll. Troll's out. out. You have a pair of glasses in here still that need rescued.
No, that's going to be warm water. This is a wee bit. Yep. I mastered it! Susie, I hot! I hot! I don't hot! I don't hot!
Good work, Lexi. The glasses are getting free. Who's gonna win?
Oh,
Lexi. Teamwork makes good work.
I think I'm ready to come out.
Oh dear. There's plenty of guns upstairs.
We can do it, shall we? It was so much fun to do this iceberg experiment. Let's smash it outside.
Whoa, super smashed. Turn on channel notifications, hit the subscribe button and like.